Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add Crosshair X to OBS. All right, it is actually pretty easy. So first up, got to make sure that you have your Steam running and Crosshair X running in the background. Okay, now go ahead and select your Crosshair. For example, I'm going to go ahead and select this one. Okay, now make sure that this is not hidden. Toggle it on. There you go. Here we have it. Now what you'll do next is just go ahead and go to options right here on the left panel. Now go ahead and go to the recording and streaming tab. Now go ahead and click on streamer server. Now just basically turn streamer server on. Okay. Now copy this URL or localhost. Now go ahead and open up your OBS, or it could be a Streamlabs. Okay. Let's say I'm just going to go ahead and open up OBS right here. Now what we do, as you can see by default, we have this crosshair, but it won't be seen. Okay, if we're just using window capture or game capture. But if you want to, you could go ahead and choose to use full display. As you can see here, you'll be able to see it. Okay, if not, you could go ahead and add in a new source. Okay, go ahead and add in a browser or browser source. You can go ahead and rename this one as Crosshair X and hit on OK. Now in the URL section, erase this one. Control V to paste, hit on OK. There you go. As you can see here, it's been added randomly. So what you'll do is just go ahead and right click on Crosshair X, transform. And of course, you'd want to stretch this one to your screen. Okay. And there we have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.